Hey everyone, I just wanted to share a new item that I've designed and made available to purchase. This is a wall mount for Pegboard. You can see in this little video clip here, I am removing my old mount system. These are using the old FEX parts. If you know anything about the lifetime sheds, those have expansion anchors, basically, is what they are. And there's a spacer that I had held everything together. One of the screws had to go right into the wall though, so that was not ideal. But here's a picture of the FEX part that was in the walls. You can see it there in this picture, and then that unfortunate screw hole in the wall. I've done replace the system with this mount system that goes into those notches, and there's 4 of them right there. When you have the part, you have to push it really hard into it so it snaps into place. Designed to be very snug. You can see how it kind of lines up with the bottom of that flat area of the anchor. They can be a little bit tough. I put 3 of them in because I only had a small piece of pegboard that I was using before, and I ended up only anchoring the pegboard onto two points. But if you do buy them, they do come in a set of 4. They come with the stainless steel screws and stainless steel washers. So you got everything you need to mount them. All you need is the pegboard yourself. This piece is about 2 feet wide, 1 foot tall. Unfortunately, I went to video the mount inside the notch, and I moved my camera in. I'm not able to show you the mounting in this part of the video, but I'll show you another image here in just a minute that has it all together. That pegboard just kind of fits right in to the top part of those mounts, and kind of those hold the pegboard in place until you get the screws screwed in, and you can see just that one with the 2 screws right below where the top part of the mount was pushed in. So I'm taking it apart here. You can see kind of the process as it is backwards, taking it off. Those little mount points do help hold everything together pretty well, or hold it up there in place before you put the screws in. I decided I wanted to change the direction of it, making it vertical instead of horizontal. And so this is just me. I left this in here so I could show you how it pushes. It'll just push in and hold in place until you get your washer and screw in. And this is the lower point, and I did it, and then I remounted it back horizontally, and I started to put in parts onto the pegboard just to show, even with it mounted only on 2 points, it is pretty strong. So with this little hammer, with these 3D printed pegs, and it holds pretty good with no problems. There it is all together. Thought I'd try something a little heavier, like a drill. Of course, it didn't hold in those peg points, but I'll just set it right up here, and that seemed to work. But if you want yours, you can head over to my website, mystery3d.com, or find me on Etsy and eBay. I'll try to leave links in below. This video helpful. If you could just give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you could subscribe, that'd be amazing. Thank you.